Okay, so today is Tuesday, December 24th, and I have to film really quickly because today's Christmas Eve, so stuff is happening. But today I learned that recently I've kind of just found myself telling other people to not let things affect them. Like when you're about to be in a situation where it's uncomfortable or people are annoying and you're like, just don't let it affect you. And I think that's something that I tell other people a lot, but I need to apply this to myself as well. So that's kind of what I learned today. It's just like, if someone is annoying or if you're in an uncomfortable situation, then just don't let it affect you and just be who you need to be. Be you and just do the right things, make the right actions no matter the environment or the people around you. Yeah, just don't let it affect you, because if you don't let it affect, because first of all, it just helps you stay a consistent person if you don't let those kinds of things affect you and you are the same person throughout and you're not fake to anyone. And it also it's just better, because if you don't let annoying people or an uncomfortable situation affect you, then you're not gonna be annoyed and you're not gonna be uncomfortable and you can just be who you need to be. That's just a small thing that I learned today. I know this is a very short video, but I'm trying to get these out every single day, some days long, some days short, and today is just a short one. So yeah, Merry Christmas to all of you watching. If you like this video, then definitely hit the like button. If you have any thoughts, then leave them in the comments down below. If you want to see more videos, then definitely subscribe, because I'm posting every single day talking about what I learned that day. So if you want to see daily videos, daily insights, then definitely subscribe. Yeah, if you subscribe, then I will see you in tomorrow's video.